Dear friends, before 6 years I am vegetarian. I am not eating eggs, fish, meat, etc. But in these 6 years, I feel less energetic every time. I feel exhausted every time, and also I have a lack of memory in these 6 years. It is true, I am not telling lie with you. And after 6 years, I eat non-veg food such as eggs, meat, fish, and I feel energetic. And also I improve memory power. It is true, I am not telling lie with you. You know why? What is the reason behind this? Because meat contains all essential amino acids, and meat contains folic acid, iron, vitamin B12, vitamin B6, vitamin B9. Vitamin B12 is not present in fruits and vegetables. You know that. Vitamin B12 is present in eggs, fish, meat, milk. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and also subscribe this channel for more exciting videos like this one, and hit the bell icon for daily notifications friends.